Hey everybody, I'm Dandy Randy here at Greenway RV, and thank you again for stopping at our Greenway RV 2026 Indoor Open House. Right now we are inside a 2026 Grand Design Imagine XLS 21 MBE. That's a mouthful, but this brand new camper is a new model this year. So let's take a look at some of the features that are inside it, okay? So what we have right here is a beautiful, large, lot of counter space kitchen. So you got a lot of counter space to do all your meal prep. It is a nice hard surface right here, as well as a drying rack that rolls over the top. You got an extender sprayer on your sink and a soap dispenser. You have a 3-burner stove. You have a nice sized microwave. You got nice smoked glass here and soft close cabinet doors. Now inside the Grand Design, because it is a high quality unit, you're going to see solid core cabinetry. You're going to see that JBL sound system that's inside the camper. And you got a nice size TV that is a full motion mount. Okay, so you can turn that TV towards your bedroom area, or you can have it in your dinette. If we move over here to the back of the camper, you're going to see a nice pantry size space and 2 large bunks. Okay, these bunks are extended wide, extended length bunks, so you can fit large people, adults on there if you needed to. Okay, and where you're sitting right now is the dinette. Okay, so in the dinette area, we got a full U-shaped dinette. You can fit a lot of people at it. We'll go over that in a minute. Okay, and then over here, I'm going to stop you right there. Sorry about that, folks. I just wanted to reposition you so you had the best view of what we were looking at. So right here, we got a flip over sofa. The nice thing about this sofa, it does have a full down cup holder, so you still get that entertainment style seating, as well as nice durable material right here. That flip over style too is good for a day bed. So if you just wanted to hang out and relax during the day, you didn't want to get the whole bed down, you could do that right here. Flips over just like that. Now right here too, we have a pull out plastic table. Okay, so since you have the dinette still, that's great. But if you want to sit over here and eat, if you have more company or something like that, you can do that right there with that table, which is really nice. And under that, we have extra storage drawers as well. So 2 extra drawers right here gives you space for any extra things that you have to bring along. You got your closets on the side for all this extra storage space for clothing, any socks, underwear, anything like that could go in there. Some little extra shelves down here. I'm going to show you real quick how the bed folds down. So we got this flip over. We're going to do that real quick. We're going to pop this little lock up, and we're going to fold this bed down like this. Now we got a little bunched up cover here. Still looks nice. This comes with the camper, the cover does. Now you got 2 cubbies on the side there. What those cubbies are for storing your phones, CPAP machines, stuff like that. You got outlets in each side as well as USB ports. And then right here, we got a night light. And then if you press it one more time, we got a reading light. So that's kind of a convenient feature inside this 21 MBE. Now I did go ahead and grab the camera just so I can show you a little bit more about this camper. You have obviously these bunk spaces. These are a lot of space down here. Light's not on down there, but it is up here. Okay, inside this bunk space, if you look, you got a cubby area right there. It has power, it has USB, so that's kind of nice. And you got curtains for privacy. One thing I didn't know before about the bedroom area, you do have this little track up here that is provided with a curtain. Okay, so that curtain can go around your bed, give you that privacy from anybody else in the trailer. If we move to the back here where the bathroom is, this bathroom is a nice size bathroom for this size of a trailer. You do have this nice surround in the back. You're like, where's the curtain? Okay, well this curtain is retractable right here. It gives you that nice firm feel. Doesn't allow that curtain to hang on your legs, stick to your body while you're inside it. But then it snaps right back and it kind of squeegees the water off as well at the same time. You got a nice height in that shower. I mean, many people could fit in there, a lot of taller people, as well as nice toilet area, lots of space around it, little extra counter space, which is kind of nice in this trailer, as well as you got a vent fan up top and some extra space for storage of towels. Now this camper is equipped with a instant or on-demand hot water heater, so that is all gas. That's going to have any hot water you're going to need all the time, so you're not going to run out. It's not like a 6-gallon where you take 2 showers and you're done with the water, right? So this water heater is really nice that way. The outside of the 21 MBE is absolutely gorgeous. These graphics are new for 2026, so you'll get the new stickers on the side, decals that won't fade on you going down the road. But what you have out here is a fiberglass outside, so all this is really easy to maintain, easy to clean, as well as it is all aluminum construction inside the camper. So all those walls are aluminum construction, better insulation. It's going to hold up for you a lot longer. Inside here is your large pass-through storage space, and this right here, you can see that aluminum construction inside the trailer. So that's just a testament to the quality of a Grand Design camper. Right here you have your steps. Obviously they're nice sturdy steps, and then in the back we have a very nice large griddle. This is an extended size griddle, so you get a lot of space there. You got a little backsplash that comes up here so you don't get grease all over that storage area, but you do have a storage area right there with a light, and then a refrigerator right here, so any other extra drinks or cocktails or whatever else you want to put in there. And then you have a spray port right on the outside here for spraying off any outdoor rugs, anything like that. Large awning covers the full outside of the camper, so you have all the living space available to you. There's your tankless water heater, and then this one does have a nice size 2-inch hitch. Now, one thing we really didn't get to discuss was the dinette, because I was on the other side. So right here we have a full dinette. This is what I'm saying about the U-shape. The dinette seating goes all the way around the dinette, as well as this one just pops right down. So this makes it a nice extra sleeping space. So really what you can fit in this camper is quite a few people. You got the 2 bunks, you got the dinette, and you got your main bedroom. Now under the dinette is kind of neat. They didn't want to waste any space, so you have 2 hard doors right down here that have extra storage in them. So if you have any more questions about this trailer or any of the other ones in our show, feel free, just get with anybody wearing this shirt, and we'd be happy to help you answer any questions, give you any pricing. Again, my name's Dandy Randy. My phone number is 715-230-0388. That is a textable number, so if you have any questions, you didn't get to talk to somebody while you're here at the show, feel free to just shoot me a text, give me a call. I'd be happy to answer them. Thanks so much, guys, and enjoy the rest of the show.